Guys, did you like it? I love it. I'm so excited about this, and they're actually paying me to do it at work. So I play games, having fun with all of the gadgets that Samsung produces, everybody produces, and I'm just still a kid. Uh, but seeing what Damon has presented you, I just decided that let's make a big hit. Let's just show you what's our reply to what you have seen before, what you have heard before. This is it. This is actually what we are trying to prepare for you guys to work together on a completely new set of the platforms, software platforms, hardware platforms. I cannot wait for the new Xbox coming to the market. I will test it for you, of course, but ah, yeah, so let's go forward with this. I promised that I started with the movie and I'm gonna finish with the movie and I'm gonna have as low slides as possible. Just start presenting where we are going and what we bring to you as our customers in the next couple of days. Actually, yeah, this movie is something that we released on today. You are the first one seeing this, what we have in the virtual reality. You're gonna be the first one to see what we have in augmented reality, and I have two more. To see those, please see my workshops tomorrow, and I promise you're gonna love it. Actually, do you believe that it's actually possible? And yes, it is. Come to the workshops, I will present to you. You can just put your headset on and have the same fun as I have each day. 10 hours a day, actually. Okay, so let's go forward with this, and let's maybe start from the boring things. So the question is, where is the market? And because I'm the tech guy, I'm gonna go very fast through it with just one slide. And there's many companies, many research labs, many research companies which are doing analysis of the VR, AR market, industry, what's happening, how it's happening, how many billions of dollars there is for the next couple of years, where is the market shares. Well, I don't care. Actually, you should care, but I don't care. I'm a tech guy. So I'm very excited about one slide which was on this picture. Actually, this slide. So what does it show you? It's 2016, how it was looking, 2017, but this is in millions of devices for VR, AR sold to the market, installed with the licenses, operating in the systems in the cloud. And sometimes as the standalone systems. But what you see here, this is our year. This is around 20 million devices for VR, AR. Actually, I have 6 of them in my home. But yeah, there's millions of those more. So it's 20 millions. But the next year, it's over 100 millions of the devices with what Apple is released a couple of weeks ago, what Google is doing and released a couple of weeks ago with the Google Tango, Samsung stuff, and HTC stuff, which is happening there. This is the next year. We're gonna have over 100 million of devices available for VR, AR. And even looking the next following year, 2019, gosh, it's over 300 millions, almost 300 millions of the devices. And yeah, that's great, because what they're gonna need content. Content which we have, which we all have. We source the content for those devices which gonna need something to display. And guys, this is a huge opportunity. I get so excited. You know why? Because look here, that's another story. This is this color. It's all of the console, PC, bulky things which has like head-mounted displays you put on your head. You look like a Robocop from 1980s, and you have a cable string to the PC. And yes, it's fun. It works. It's like a test period for me. That's how I see it, looking also on those slides and seeing what new packages are coming to my office with the new headset. Yeah, Christmas coming. But this color, and I asked my friend Damon, how is it called in English? So it was, how was it, Damon, you said? Blueberry color. So the blueberry color shows something which is not present yet here in our year. This color presents mobile things. So mobile devices, Samsung devices, Google devices, Apple devices. That means that the next following years, this is gonna be millions of potential customers looking for the content that they can source from the single source of truth. And this is where we are coming. And the question is, what do we do with that? How we getting prepared as the BIMobject for that? And my friends should say that me spending a couple of hours in the funny things and playing with the VR stuff. But first of all, which is the serious stuff here, we work on the visual quality. So what you all have here and what we share with the thousands of producers on our cloud system is that we have engineering data. We're trying to change this data to much more visual aspect of this data, to improve quality, to make people much more eager to take those from the cloud. And we're working on the many automatic ways, and I guess that you're gonna see it in a couple of next weeks. But also what we are doing, we're trying to validate several software platforms for you. So you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to think about different engines, software platforms. No, we're trying to do it for you. We're trying to be software agnostic and available for all of them. And the same with the hardware. We just go to the store, go to the cloud, buying things, ship it to me, play with my friends, testing this. So those devices are ready with your content and with what we share on our cloud. And last but not the least, we're trying to collaborate. We pick up the technology, we build sales packages, we build like solutions, and with our friends from Samsung, our friends from Matterport, we trying to deliver a solution for the market. And to sum it up, very, very short, what BIMobject offers in VR, starting from today, from day one today, BIMobject Live Sweden, is API. This is the key. That means that everybody building their own software, platforms, portal, websites, VR experience, AR experience, can source from us. So we don't have to build softwares for it. Everybody who is doing this, and there's thousands of companies all over the world, can get access to our data and use your product in it. Spread the word with your... Yeah, I missed my point in English. I could say it in Polish, but sorry for that, my language. And a lot of stress because I cannot wait for the last movie to play it. But if you are not able to do it yourself yet with our API, well, we can build a beautiful applications, VR experiences for you. So please call me. I'm gonna be having much more, pleasure to talk with you and just build some cool stuff that I can be proud, like the movie that I showed to you. But why? Why I'm talking about this VR so much? Why I'm starting from that movie? Because that's already happening. How many millions of Revit license there's on the world? Millions. I already said, so I answered my own question. That was not smart. Yeah, tech guys again. But the thing is that using the Revit, which is the most popular BIM platform right now, there's just a couple of clicks to go VR. Whatever you will see and have seen on the movie, you're gonna see tomorrow, it's just a couple of clicks. It's no longer getting another studio to pay for this huge visualization. And now you just upload Revit Live, download the application, put the headset, it's there. So everybody can use it on the scale, huge scale, just buy the glasses. And additional to that, 3D scanning. My friend Damon said about the Matterport, said about the Facro, said about Faro, I'm sorry, my mistake, said about Leica. And yeah, but also it's an environment. What if we can bring a BIMobject cloud to it? If we can bring through our API our data, and we're doing this. We tested it, and we have a process that in one day you can do the scan, and the next following day you can get a beautiful real-time experience of, I don't know, hundreds of square meters included with the BIMobject components inside of it. And what if, as on the movie, it's not just your experience, but you can bring your customers, partners, subcontractors to the same VR app? And what if you can connect this guy from another country? Guys, we have it ready. We're starting this, we're launching this. You want to see it? Come visit me tomorrow. you're gonna connect with Poland and France same time on a BIM model with BIMobject experience. I can talk hours, so let's go maybe to another subject, AR. And what about this? What about AR? And this is my answer. Yes, yes, yes. It's much more fun. If some of you could see the split of the revenue, which is between VR and AR for the next couple of years, now we are in a VR world. But the next following years, next 4 or 5 years, this market will change. AR is going to be 5 times more popular, 5 times more bigger. Why? Because those devices, Samsung devices, Google technology, Apple, they are already going towards this mobility. So yes, yes, yes. And why? Because it's much more easier in use. In virtual reality, you need to build this beautiful room. You need to build this in, I don't know, maybe scanning this, but you need to model it. In augmented reality, you don't have to. You are already in the space. You just bring content to it, you source the data, you place it, it's there. A virtual object in real environment. And that's how we are in the mixed reality, augmented reality. Also, what if you can reverse this reverse this process? So let's say that I'm in the room and I want to find out what kind of the speakers is it. Yeah, I click the speakers on my cell phone and I get the data. I source the data from the producers, from our portal, from our websites. That, having those speakers, I can go and reverse it. How to service it, how to change the spare parts, how to work with this. And also, again, let's try to collaborate. Let's don't treat this as the single user experience. Let's try to bring people to communicate, to show, to work together. And guys, this is